Hey friends, if you wish to fix Valorant Black Screen on startup in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, simply search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab on the list on the left hand side. And next to the right line services, right click and select Disable. I'll tell you later why. Now, when you start your system, okay, Valorant won't open by default. If you try to open Valorant and you get a black screen in that case, then right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab, select display. Make sure that the scale and display resolution is selected as recommended. It needn't be 100%, it can be 125, 150, anything. But the recommended value should be selected. Okay, now once this is done, the next one will be to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display drivers and right click on the dedicated graphics card, which is the Nvidia one in my case, and then update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.